Alrighty, today we're going to go through and just look at how we convert word problems into equations. It's going to be a very important skill as you start seeing more word problems while we go deeper into the unit. And essentially the gist of it is to just break everything down into a number if you can, right? So for our first example, we want to find the product of 5 and a number. So for this, product means multiplication, and we know that one of the numbers is 5, and we're going to be multiplying it by a number, right? So to write this as an equation, we can do 5 times n, okay, where n is our unknown number. Moving on, we have 7 more than twice a number. Okay, so this one's a little more complicated, but we can always start by adding the plus 7 here, because it's saying 7 more. And what's it 7 more than? Well, we know we have to add the 7 to twice a number. So we'll have 2 times n plus 7. Next one, a person's age is 5 years less than 3 times the age of their sibling. This one's a little bit more complex and more akin to something you'd see in your course, but it's very similar in how we address it. A person's age is 5 years less, so we know we're going to have a minus 5. And what is it 5 years less than? It's going to be 5 years less than 3 times the age of their sibling. We don't know how old the sibling is, so we're going to do 3s, right? And if we scroll down, we'll see that the equation will let the sibling's age be s, and then 3s minus 5 will give us our equation. Alright, next we're going to go a rectangle's perimeter is the sum of twice its length and twice its width. So this one's a little bit more interesting because now we have 3 unknowns. We have perimeter, which we don't know, we have length, which we don't know, and width, which we don't know. So first thing you want to do is set up variables that represent each. So perimeter, let's have it be p, length will be L, and width will be W, right? And the equation for the perimeter, it's going to be the sum. So you know you're adding two things, and then twice the length. So it's equal to twice the length plus twice the width, right? And then we're left with the equation of our perimeter, which is perimeter is equal to 2 length plus 2 width, right? So very important to just go through step by step, make sure you're not missing anything that the word problem tells you, and just write down everything as you go, and make sure the order is correct.